Welcome, Dr. Nitin here. This video is about Researcher Agent in Copilot. If you want to work on data which is on a website which requires username password, then you have to use computer use part in Researcher. I'm going to use PubMed as an example. The link is in the description, but you can use any website which you use for your day-to-day work. First, I have to log in. I've logged in using my account already, so I'm just searching for the word turmeric. This will give me search results. So what I want to do is take the first 5 results by selecting them. And now I want to save it. The format I want to use is CSV. Then say create file. So this will give me a CSV file like this. Now this part I want to do using Researcher computer use. So the first step is to copy the link. Next, I have come to Researcher. Click on the computer use button. First time you click on computer use, it will show you a dialog. Read that and click on accept. If you can't see this option or if it is disabled, talk to your IT team. They need to enable it. Detailed link in the description. So here is the prompt. First step is to go to PubMed. I press Shift Enter to get a new line just for visual clarity. In order to log into the site, I will have to do it. So give me control. Then search for this term. Select the first 5 search results and save the output as CSV. So let's submit this prompt and see what happens. In order to have full screen to view what is happening, I'm going to collapse this navigation. Researcher will start a virtual machine somewhere and it will show you what it is doing. So this is like a computer running somewhere in the cloud. You don't have to pay for it. It's a part of Copilot. And step by step, it will tell me what it is doing. So now it's saying the login page has many options. I can't do it. You will have to do it. So I'm giving you control. Now you see a button called Take Control. Click on it. A separate window will open and that virtual computer is now under your control. This is the exact web page which we saw earlier. I'm going to select Microsoft. This time I allow to log in again. Earlier in the browser, the login was remembered, but this is a separate virtual machine. So let me put my email ID. So depending on your login method, you may require a second factor authentication. Now I have successfully logged in. So the search activity can proceed. So when I'm ready to give control back to Researcher, just click on this button, return control. Now it will go to work. Now it's showing me the steps again. Always keep looking what step it is performing and also scroll down a little so that if it wants you to take control again, you will be able to see the button. Sometimes errors may happen. It will generally detect the error, find a solution to it and try again. It has already found the answers. So now it's behind the scenes clicking the check boxes. It knows how to handle websites. So let it do its job. And once it is done, it will tell you. And in this case, it will give us the CSV. This is the live view. In case you don't want to see it, click on these 3 dots and say activity view and expand this. That will tell you only the messages it was showing earlier. At any point, you can switch between this view and desktop view. So it has already selected items. Now it is trying to manipulate or click on the save menu. So I'm going to fast forward this and then show you when the results are ready. And finally, this is the CSV which it has created and now it's ready for download. So I click on it, I open the CSV and it's exactly the same as what I had done earlier. So this is how you use any sites which require human intervention before Researcher can work on the data. To summarize, these are the steps. First, go to the site, copy the link, come to Researcher, click on computer use, specify the link and whatever instructions you want to give. Run the prompt. It will generate a new machine and whenever required, it will ask you to take control. You take control, log in or do whatever else is required and then give the control back to Researcher and then it will go ahead and get the desired actions done. I hope you found this useful. As you know, I work with a lot of customers globally to help them improve efficiency by optimal use of Copilot and Microsoft platform. If you're interested in working with me, my contact details are in the description. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.